Look at him. Ow! Want to keep going? No? Okay, truce. Ah, you...
Oh, what are you? Oh, you're so soft. Oh, you smell nice too.
Yes, sir. I'd like to take your statement.
Nom 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 nom. Bella.
For Christmas one year, you know you're a celebrity and you're a woman and she couldn't. You other people.
You want pizza too? You want pizza too? Oh my gosh. You're so cute.
All right, I'm going to go. I need to go to work and make money for the family. But, you know, you guys have a great day. Just sitting around doing...
How to kiss your cat properly. Grab him unexpectedly. Hold him tight. If he doesn't want you to hold him, keep going. He'll soon love you more. Grab his face, stare him in the eyes, and kiss him lovingly.
And then he fucking... Me or her? Oh, bitch, I think they're calling you. What? Me or her? Shut up.
I just getting pulled over every day. Yes, officer. What am I doing? I'm going the speed limit. Oh, you need a warrant to be in here. You have to have a warrant to get into my vehicle, sir. I am a citizen of the United States of America, and I demand my rights. No, you cannot search my glove box. You cannot search anything. Thank you. Or else you come back when you get a warrant.
Been looking for my cats everywhere. Couldn't find them for the longest time. Hello, both of you. Hello. Hi.
I had to stop her from coming in, but we'll let her in.
Oh my god. She's okay, guys.
Hey, I wonder what's in the cupboard. I need some coffee or something, maybe. Oh! Ah!
Oh my god, what do you want?
This?
High five. High five. Put her there. Give me some skin.
Claw is our master. Claw chooses who will go and who will stay. I have been chosen. Farewell, my friends. I go on to a better place.
I just have one question. Do you know what a pain in the ass is?
Yeah.
Are you a pain in the ass?
Yeah.
Baby man, little baby, little baby man, little baby, baby man, little baby man.
You know, I live in my college dorm with my cat, and she's always sitting at this door like something is there, and it freaks me out. And I learned the other day it's because people like to sit here and play with the cat under the goddamn door. Oh my god, now come back. No.
Our cat does not like the fact that we're all home quarantined. She's like, why are you in my house? Sorry. Oh. Okay. Okay.
Every goddamn morning when I call you in here, you stand outside the door like this and stare at me like I'm on crack when you're the one who looks like you're on crack, my good lady.
My cat has just been sitting in front of my mirror like this. Just checking himself out periodically for the past 10 minutes.
Sir, excuse me, sir. Boop. Thank you. Hello, sir. I just need a favor, real quick. Boop. Thank you. Hello, yes, sir. Boop. Thank you. Excuse me, sir. Sir, do you have a moment for a few words? Boop.
Yeah, don't be shy. Dance some more. Dance some more. Don't be shy. Dance some more. Don't be shy.
Show him your face.
Oh, go up the pole, baby. Yeah. Yeah.
You want some pets? Yeah. Oh, no.
Somebody come get her, she dancing like a stripper. Somebody come get her, she dancing like a
Baby, it's me. It's me. It's me, honey.
That's right.
On Netflix, you can buy it if you want to. Oh, okay. Well,
I don't know if this is all cats, but let me know. So, Richard looks like a normal, size cat. But then, when I shake him out, and he loosens up a little bit, look how long he is. He's like a foot long. Look how long he is!
Get off my car, bro. Get off my car, bro. 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 Get off the car, bro. Bro!
Hey, look, man, I got some bad news, okay? Your roof leaking. I think somebody tried to take the top off your Maybach, but this ain't a Maybach, this is a Toyota. Your trunk exploded.
Good. Then you have to clean yourself. I put you here, and you jump here.
Oh my God.
You have dirt on your feet. Look. Look at the dirt.
Good morning. Little lady? Yeah. Oh.